Hey you guys, welcome back to another banger from Mr. Reginald here with the Limitless Wealth Reserve. In this video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite things to do for passive income, okay? And I'm going to teach you how to do it step by step and how to become profitable with passive income. If you have a car that is 10 years old or newer, or you have the abilities of acquiring, or purchasing a vehicle, and you want that vehicle to make money for you and still be able to drive that vehicle whenever you want, I highly recommend using Turo. Here's the thing, right? Using Turo does heavily depend on where you're located, and that will affect how much money you can make. The great thing is that Turo has a thing called a calculator. And it allows you to go on and select the region that you're in and what kind of vehicles you want to get, and show you the ROI, which is the return on investment. I think it's amazing. So let's just go in and click one. Let's just go San Francisco, Oakland, or San Jose. Let's say you can buy a vehicle within the, let's do 25 to 40K range. And then boom, it's a list of the top 10 vehicles that bring in high return of investment. These are the ones that you can make the most money on. And I think that that is lovely. Just, you go ahead and pick any one of these cars, buy it for this region, right? Statistically speaking. Get the vehicle, put it on Turo, and now you're making money. The estimated value of the car is $28,000. The annual loan cost is about $6,000, and your average earnings is about $13,000. That means in less than 2.5 years, your car is paid off, hypothetically speaking. And it's not coming from your pockets, it's coming from somebody else paying your car note. And you still get to drive the car when you need to or when you want to, because on Turo you can block out days for when you, let's say you want to go on a date or take your kids to the park or whatever the case may be, and you can just block it out. And I love that. If you like this informational video and you'd like to see more of them, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to jump into more wealth building knowledge with the Limitless Wealth Reserve, please click that link in the bio. Remember, you can't spell a million without a couple of L's. In the Limitless Wealth Reserve, the L isn't for losses, it's for lessons learned. Y'all be blessed.